the legality and propriety of the regularization of guest teachers / voluntary teachers in the government aided school at GTA area is under challenge. In the instant writ petition, such regularization per se is not sanctified by any procedure prescribed under the law. As such, the concerned authorities are restrained from regularizing the appointment of such teacher until further orders. Now,
the state regularization.
Now, even thereafter, if there is any appointment, whose responsibility to bring it in the Mr. Dotto?
Because the basic duty of GTA and the Miller.
Whose responsibility is to in other matters to bring this injunction order to the knowledge of the court? At least this person who was so long giving the appointment for so many persons, you are not thinking that his custodial interrogation is necessary. You know, secretary level officers on inquiry found that his involvement is, at least his involvement is this. Come to the list. See, the 300 teachers, at least 80% of it don't have any training qualification. How can you justify the appointment? They don't have any, even the training qualification. This is Darjeeling is somewhere different, somewhere out of India.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Where GTA and state is appearing, if any approval is given under the order of the court and thereafter the state is taking the plea that under the court's order we have done it, it amounts to contempt.
So we need to ascertain whether the other court's order is before 11th October or after.
I'm telling you, Mr. Dotto, please inquire.
Very well.
Still, Mr. Samim mentioned, still writ petitions are being filed for approval, where state is appearing, where GTA is appearing, but this has not brought to the notice of the court. There is already an order of injunction.
The 6th of September 2024, certain regularization that was made following the order of the court, where both 6th of September 2024.
I will hold contempt because it is a duty of the court, you and the GTA to bring it.
And the orders were obtained in presence of the state and also GTA.
This should have been brought to the notice of the
basic duty. Only after when Mr. Samim coming to know of this intervened, then few petitions were
dismissed.
Yes,
please instruct your appearing advocates. They must apprise the court that there is an order of injunction now regarding approval. And bypassing all norms of procedure, still approval is being given.
Last approval.
This is the division bench order. This was not brought to the notice. Mr. Dotto, take instruction from everyone in the north, in the circuit bench and others. This is not, when counsel like you people are arguing the matter, you should have informed. This should not have been done. You may prefer an appeal against the order of injunction.
Circuit bench.
Circuit bench is, but the advocates, the instructing advocates are the same.
Same authority. Circuit bench is different.
This is very, very unfortunate. You are indulging in illegality. Everywhere you are indulging in illegality. There is an order of injunction by the court, and obviously I will set aside all appointment, all approval. Then started crying. The court has done it. Court has done it. Now see the stand of the state in this affidavit. In paragraph 3.
Yes, it is very clear.
Please take the pain of reading, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, please take the pain of reading paragraph 3 of your affidavit. Your affidavit is ultimately what you are saying, that you are also astonished. The school education department as thus awaiting response of the financial implication of the regularization of 313 teachers, after which the said report for final would be placed before the finance department, followed by the decision of the cabinet or final approval. It is pertinent to note from the affidavit opposition such and such GTA in the batch of Suman Gurung and such and such, I was made aware that 313 volunteers have already been provided with an approval. Appointment of the district inspector such and such without awaiting the completion of the process of approval had been done for the earlier instance of regular 439 teachers. The answer in response states no such instruction had ever been accorded to the DI of Darjeeling by the answering respondent number 2 to provide approval of 313. Stop salary of this 313.
Lordship, kindly come to this. Lordship, there is one order which has been passed on 8th of March 2019, Lordship, where the state government has said various issues reached education in the hill areas of Darjeeling, Kalimpong district. Lordship. This is the approval of 313, Lordship.
No,
there is no mention of this thing, Lordship.
This is this affidavit before me.
This is they wanted to
and very basic. Go to the very basic. Come to your affidavit. When I thought, yes, how the children will get the students. If they are otherwise qualified, very well. Instead of disturbing the school, the student, then give me the affidavit of GTA. Yes, take your affidavit affirmed on 23rd April 2024. Come to the list. See, the 300 teachers, at least 80% of it don't have any training qualification. How can you justify the appointment? They don't have any, even the training qualification. This is Darjeeling is somewhere different, somewhere out of India. Mr. Dotto, please take the affidavit of 23rd April. State is not supporting the approval, but unfortunately, order of injunction has not been brought to the court. How can state approve this kind of appointment? And in your affidavit, you are saying that we are not. I have recorded Mr. Dotto's. If the court finds, the 313 teachers may go. But see that list: BA, MSc, 1 BA, BA. See that qualification. Is it not required the training qualification of a teacher? So stop salary first is 313. Let them come and explain.
313 along with the 439.
439, there is an issue that I don't know whether it is way teachers can be appointed. This is one aspect. And the criminal investigation is the other aspect. Let us first assure that no government exchequer should not be taxed with this salary of these persons. Have you got the copy? Please see that.
23rd April.
I will go to the criminality part first.
The criminality may wait. The direction of stopping salary not only for 313 but for 413 and also. But that will be a one step forward to correct these sort of illegalities.
And still approval is going on, and it has been given
surreptitiously.
Beautiful wrapper is we are working for 10 years. Give us approval. Similar kind of teachers have been given approval. High Court, of course. The Honorable Judge has not been apprised of.
Yes.
There is an order of injunction. There is an... how can it be? When you are considering finance department, cabinet approval is awaiting. By the time GTA has... your DI has given approval. That is why the FIR... That is, the committee has found him, at least found him that you are responsible for that. How you can still disbursing salary to this 313 list is before you. stop salary of this 313.
Kindly give us a opportunity to file an affidavit, Lordship, and find out what is there.
That affidavit is already your affidavit. From your affidavit, I am reading. I am reading from your affidavit.
What will be drastic, Lordship? Stopping. Lordship, kindly give one opportunity.
Mr. Subba, you cannot justify in any event. In any event, see the qualification. If today you find that a class 8 pass man will be teaching in a high school and you will be saying that they are working for 10 years, therefore their family, their children, you should not touch them, this cannot be tolerated because the other children will be affected.
It is not all, Your Lordship, those who are not BA.
313, if you take this, first one, second one, fourth one, fifth one, 15, then again 16, then again 19 to everyone. It will come back on Thursday.
2 p.m.
2 p.m. But this is the proposal I have not given. This court is proposing, I have said, take instruction, 313 teachers' salary must be stopped now. And then I will be considering 439, 313, and please take the issue wherever you are a party, even if there is a less chance of CCC being a party. But Mr. Subba, your client, the state, whenever you are a party, wherever.
But if in the orders which has already been passed, I had suggested this to my learned senior also. If a line can be added that we have to take steps, one line, even if a suggestive line, since it was not brought to the knowledge.
Necessary to mention.
No. Violently, it is expected, not necessary to mention.
Let it be. It is expected.
It is expected.
Double injunction is not already there. It is your duty to bring it to the notice of.
No, it's not about the injunction, my lord. That it is suggested that we take steps, my lord, with regard to the orders already passed where it has not been pointed out.
No, that I'm not taking cognizance of.
Because, my lord,
Mr. Bandhavada, I am not taking cognizance of that. When it will come to me formally, because I have seen that when the petitioner will take it informally, then I have to take some formal decision that not bringing the notice to the court. You know the impact. You please supply the order of injunction to your, whatever the council over there, the GP over there, whoever is there, that all GTA matter, this is the order of injunction. Your duty to bring it to the notice of the court, then the court will decide.
But since we had to seek a modification or recalling for division bench's order, that is the only purpose for which I made this
record. I cannot record Mr. Bandhavada. Either I have to say Mr. Bhattacharya is submitting in spite of the order of injunction.
This was not brought to the knowledge of the court.
May I record on?
I can be recorded.
Yes.
Otherwise, that will kindly understand my predicament. I'll have to go for a division bench saying that a single bench has given a.
You have to.
It is expected Learned Council should have brought to notice of the court. This, I think.
Otherwise, it might be misinterpreted. Submits that though this court, by the order dated,
injunction is October 23. Change 11th October 23.
By this order, by the order dated October 11, 2023, has restrained all the concerned authorities from regularizing the appointment of guest teachers until further orders. But they are neither the state nor the GTA is bringing the said order of injunction to the notice of the honorable benches, taking up similar matters in the circuit bench at Jalpaiguri of this court. As a result, there is a chance of conflicting decisions are being passed. Mr. Bandhavada, learned senior standing counsel, and Mr. Subba, learned advocate for GTA, assured this court that the said order of injunction would be brought to the notice of the honorable courts whenever these similar matters will be taken up.
But even on the other day, I'll admit, Ms. Khatun had informed me that 2 matters are before the division bench. But since I was on legs, throughout the first half, I could not attend those matters, before Justice Bhattacharya taking up the matter singly. Ms. Khatun had informed me, that 2 matters are there before Justice Bhattacharya, but matlab,
Circuit bench.
in the circuit bench. But matlab, I could not, with the best of intention, I could not join matlab, because I was on legs for the entire first half. Matlab.
Very well. You be on leg for the whole day, whole night. We'll be expecting so.
Grateful.